Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rajesh, and today we have got this beast here, which is T60X. Now if we talk about the best speaker which F&D has got, I think this comes in my mind. The sound clarity is fabulous. Heavy bass, because it has got two woofers here, two speakers, and the tutor here and a tutor here. It comes with Bluetooth output and USB, FM. It does support a wireless mic. Now it does have NFC, so it has got all the connectivity available here, even optical as well. Now let us go ahead and explore the speaker. These are 110 RMS speaker, 55 RMS each. This narrow speaker matches well with your flat TV panel. It has silk dome tweeter, two 4-inch speaker and 8-inch subwoofer on each channel, and that gives this speaker a powerful acoustic quality with a wide musical range. Wooden housing of this speaker makes sound natural. F&D T60 is capable of NFC and Bluetooth both. Pair your smartphone with this speaker and enjoy your soundtrack. It has optical input connection. You can also play music via USB. It has LED display, so you can always see your track and input source. The remote walks over 10 meters, so you can control your music from anywhere in the room. Let's go ahead and do the sound demonstration. Enough with the sound demonstration and videos. Let's go ahead and check some photographs. Inches in height, about 7 inches width. Thank you for watching the video till the end. I hope you have liked the video. So if you're planning for the best speaker, if you do not have any budget, or if your budget is around 10,000, you can purchase it for 9,500 on any website or nearby shops. As soon as you'll open the box, you'll find another mini box inside this, which contains few items like the remote, a wireless mic, you have to buy the battery separately. The battery doesn't include in the box. Here is a switch off on button. Make sure to switch it off all the time when you're not using it. Either the battery would get drained. It happened with me. RCA to aux, small cable to connect both the speaker with each other, and RCA to RCA for DVD and all that stuff. 2 AAA battery for the remote, and a user manual. I hope you have liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the like button and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.